Well, it's certainly been quite a chop and churn for the global markets ahead of the outcome of the US elections. In fact, you did have the global markets such as the Nasdaq as well as the S&P 500, which went home with pretty smart gains on Tuesday's close. You had the Asian markets as well, which firmed up. Looks like the Indian markets this morning are following those cues. So we've gotten off to a mildly positive start around the 11,850 mark. That's up about 50 points in trade, while the Sensex too gets off to a steady start. But it's a very tentative one at that, about 150 points plus higher. In terms of the individual sectors that are holding out in trade, you do have support coming in from across the board, particularly IT that takes leadership. The media index as well as pharma are holding out in the green, as auto as well as metals continue to remain rather supportive. On the flip side though, the banks, which remember have been taking leadership for quite a few trading days, have been supporting the markets right now, look a little bit tentative, so down about 0.5%. Mind you, the broader markets too are moving in tandem with the frontliners, so you do have a pretty smart gain coming in of about 0.5% as well for the mid and the small cap indices. Some of the interesting outperformers on the frontline index: Infosys gets off to a good start, Adani Ports, Sun Pharma, Tech Mahindra, TCS, so clear leadership within the IT basket. Cipla and Divi's Laboratories holding out, Tata Steel. RIL finally bounces back after that massive rout that we saw on Monday's trading session, a tentative move on Tuesday. Today up about 0.6%, 1863 is where the stock is at. Maruti, Hero Moto, Tata Motors all hitting the accelerator and are all in the green. On the flip side, UPL after yesterday's pounding continues with its downward drift, down nearly 3%. ICICI Bank in the red, Axis Bank, HDFC, SBI, so clearly the financials are your weak pocket. Bajaj Finance, BPCL, all of those in focus. Some of the other stocks that will be on the radar today, you definitely have SBI ahead of its numbers. There's Lupin, Petronet LNG, Adani Enterprises, Apollo Tyres, all of those in focus will be coming out with their numbers today. But other than that, Sun Pharma's results saw a strong margin beat, and that stock getting off to a healthy start. You've also got Dabur, which put out a strong set of Q2 earnings, and that stock is in focus, in the limelight on the upside. Adani Ports, Ajanta Pharma, they started off with healthy gains on the back of strong earnings. Alembic, Jagran Prakashan, on the other hand, they delivered quite a weak set of numbers and remain rather quiet in trade. PVR, despite a weak set of numbers, that stock is soaring in today's trading session. And while you do have quite a bit of fervor within the broader universe, there continue to remain stocks like Care Ratings, Mindtree, Inox Leisure, L&T Info, Tata Elxsi, Just Dial, TeamLease, Edelweiss Financial that are holding out. We're continuing to monitor minute by minute updates from the US presidential elections. Markets definitely want some sort of certainty in the verdict, wonder whether or not we'll actually get that, but a decent start for the Indian markets today.